With our IT department, I think they've been a fabulous partner for us. The problem at times has been it just takes a little while to get onto their project list. And we at times need to move faster. For us, being able to manage our users and data access, the ability to design screens, I don't have to know how to write code. It's dragging and dropping. So it's really helpful for us to be able to manage it ourselves. We had a new use case with Ford where we wanted to look at menu detail information at the Cheesecake Factory. We have a lot of menu items, so it was a lot of detailed information. In our prior tool, it couldn't handle that detail level of information. We had a planning software tool called Cognos, which was a great tool, but it was being life cycled. And so we were a little nervous about trying it in Board, but it worked out really well. And now we have a capsule where you can go in and see a chart with year-over-year statistics on how it's selling, and pretty quickly drill into lots of different combinations of item level data. We've been partnering with Ford since 2016, and it's been a great partnership where they've really worked together with us to train us on how to use the tool, how to make enhancements, how to move through an upgrade. Ford itself has changed a lot in the last 8 years. It's been a great experience working with them, partnering with them. My name is Casey James, and I work for the Cheesecake Factory. My position is the Director of Financial Planning and Analysis.